MobileMechanicMemphis.com.
A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Memphis Pre-Purchase Car Inspection. Welcome to Germantown, Tennessee, a community known for its beautiful parks, excellent schools, and its commitment to quality living. But let's talk about something else. Germantown values reliable, convenient car care. Enter the Mobile Mechanic, a service that's revolutionizing auto repair right here in our town. And don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast in as-is condition anywhere in U.S., go to carhelpout.com/house and get a relief. Imagine this, your car needs attention, but instead of spending hours at a shop, get a mobile mechanic in Germantown that shows up right at your doorstep. As simple as calling 901-881-7850. That's right. Expert auto repair and maintenance without ever leaving your home. Our mobile mechanics are equipped to handle everything from oil changes and brake repairs to engine diagnostics and battery replacements. Whether it's routine maintenance or an unexpected issue, we've got you covered. And here in Germantown, where life moves quickly, this kind of service fits perfectly. Known for its gorgeous parks and outdoor spaces like the Germantown Greenway, this town is all about enjoying the moment. Why waste time sitting in a repair shop? With a mobile mechanic, you can spend your day where it matters most, knowing your car is in expert hands. Life in Germantown is about balance, family, work, and leisure. Our mobile mechanics make car care easy, giving you more time to focus on what really matters. Ready to give us a try? Call 1-881-7850 today and see why Germantown drivers love this service. Now it's time for our automotive motivational car quote of the day. Your car isn't just transportation, it's a partner in your journey, a vessel for adventures yet to come. Take care of it, and it'll always be ready to take you further. So don't let car trouble slow you down. Call 901-881-7850 today for fast, reliable, and convenient mobile mechanic service right here in Germantown. Let's keep you and your car on the road to greatness. Please let us know if you have any comment, question, or observation regarding this video.
MobileMechanicMemphis.com.
Don't forget to watch more videos by clicking on the video on the screen right now.